All right, y'all. There you go. That's what I was getting at. I cut that piece out. It makes this handle slip in there real easy, right? Actually, it fits really good. It's really tight. The sheet metal skin is going to be on here. See, we got this foam under here, this seal, and when we tighten those screws down, this is going to come flush. So we won't have to put any sealer out here because we have that foam. If it ever becomes a problem, we can just back the screws off, push the whole thing out a little bit, squirt some silicone in there, and put it on. We may just do that anyway, but we're going to have more room. As you can see, we've still got at least this much left to go to get filled up to here. Quite a bit more than that to cover the whole thing. And like I said, let me get my caliper, and we'll just measure real quick. We measured the thickness of basically from there to here, and we came up with we're on millimeters. We came up with with the right thickness. This door is RV door thickness, right? So I mean, we can buy a window for this thing and just cut it out and drop it right in because it's the right thickness. So we've got let's see, how do I do this and still keep you, maybe go like this here. We got it 1.51. Oh, wait a minute, we got a zero out. Okay. Now from the top where the face plate's inside plate's gonna go onto this wood here, we've got a 1/2 inch. We're gonna go quite a bit more than that. Obviously, we're gonna use this stuff here, and it is a little more. It's less than 3/4. Plus this inside piece as well. Let's go ahead and see if we can hold that up with our leg. And so we got 927, and our 451. Do the math, right? We're right at where we need to be to fit that channel. The tin is only 0.35, so I mean we can literally just get the trim started and use a rubber mallet or a dead blow and beat the pieces right into place. So we're right where we want to be. Like I said, when we put this piece of trim on here, won't really be able to give you the whole look because we haven't cut it out yet, right? But if we put it right on down to the edge, and we've got just a little bit showing there. Actually, I think we've got enough room where we can adjust the hole a little bit, right? This edge of the hole, and move the whole mechanism closer so we get right up in there where it'll come right up to the edge of the trim. You follow me, right? We're sitting right there, and we'll be good to go. It'll take care of what we had to do to remove that piece of wood to get this handle in here. A lot of folks had the same problem, right? So this is going to go right back in there. It's going to fit right in there. Once the tin's on, everything glued together, good and strong. You know, we're looking good. So I think that's it for today. We'll come back tomorrow and cut up the heavier pieces of wood and start gluing. After we get them all cut and fit, we'll start gluing them together. And then day after tomorrow, Saturday, because today's Thursday, Saturday we'll get it all trimmed up, and I don't think we're going to get it back in place. I think we're going to scuff and paint the skin on the trailer before we go ahead and put this door back on. But we're going to leave it just aluminum like we did with the back doors, because I think what we're going to do is with the raw aluminum doors, that's where we're going to put our advertising. We're going to sell Repsol oil and all the lubricants that come in that product line. So we'll put our logo and our maybe phone number, website that we sell Repsol and all that stuff on those doors, and just leave this, you know, all blue like the pickup truck over there, and we'll be a little bit more uniform looking going down the road. And finally our rehabbing of this old trailer will be done. Really, in the next off season or two. Probably not this winter, but maybe next winter. We'll get it jacked up in the air again, and we'll get underneath there and grind all of it down again real good and throw another coat of POR on it and stuff. And that'll be the last time we probably have to do it. We've only really done it the one time since 92, 3, 4 when we bought it. And so it's lasted a good long time. We have no complaints. So that's it for the 28th, 9th, 29th. Yeah. And we'll come back and show you some more tomorrow as we get this thing put together and going. This is the top, this is the bottom. Looking good. All right. Hang in there, y'all. We're praying for you. It'll get better. God bless.